Ladies and gentlemen, I present to all of you Tucker Carlson. I think this is the most important video right now, and that's the reason why it has hit 175 million views. And it just went off this morning at 9 a.m. Singapore time. 12-hour cycle, an outreach of 175 million views. That is like crazy. Who is this man? That's Donald Trump, the front runner of the Republican Party, so far ahead in terms of the opinion polls. The second and the third guys is so far behind, all right? Can't smell it. That's the reason why he decided not to debate with them, but to go onto the Tucker Carlson show. And he said, those guys I really outclassed them. There's nothing to debate. I want to reach a wider audience. I want to come to Twitter and come to your show so that everybody got to hear what I've got to say to them. Minimally, if you are investing in the US stock market, you have to watch this particular video, episode number 19, Debate Night with Donald Trump. This is the one you must watch. To understand why we are going through this mess. Because of Joe Biden, a corrupt president who rigged the election and kind of want to create the path to World War III. It's a very dangerous game. But you know, he ended off the video by saying this: he have never seen a spirit that's so passionate. But the passionate is divergent. So you mentioned about there's one group so passionately in love, very passionate about the country, and the other group is so passionate about destroying the country. And that's why Tucker Carlson asked, I think, the most important question in the show: are we going to have a civil war? Civil war means internal war in USA, which is real. If somebody starts asking it, that means something is happening on the ground. So that is another potential play out. We kind of map out the strategy. January next year will be the Taiwan presidential election, and the pro-independence guy seems to be leading the poll. Very dangerous game. And then by the time we hit April to June, we're probably going to have a first interest rate cut. Then by the time we hit November 5th, 2024, we're going to have the presidential election, but it's going to be rigged again. The moment you go on electronic count, they will play cheat. And listen and watch this video to understand. So it's kind of scary, but it's driving a lot of people crazy to know that, wow, the game is so dirty, we want to put our country back on track. That's the reason why. How could you have a show for just 12 hours, you have garnered 175 million views, when the population of the United States is about 300 plus million? So about half of the population, I would assume, have watched this show. They are concerned, all right? So we are on the right track. You can impeach him, you can indict him, but each time you do that, the opinion polls gone higher. It means the people are thoughtful about it. They know this is all wrong. Hi, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the way I go about performing analysis, connecting the dots, then I want to invite you to our upcoming Cozy Live Trading. This is a full-scale 5-hour session, and what we do is this: we always cover the past 2 weeks, what the key events have happened in the stock market, and we also cover the next 2 weeks. So together, coming to the Cozy Live Trading, you enjoy 1 month of complete knowledge, whereby we connect the dots, perform the analysis, and then we fire off the trades. So join us really soon in the upcoming Cozy Live Trading. Go below right now, click to register, and I shall see you in the class. Thank you. Goodbye.